Good morning, everybody. Dobrý den. Vítejte. Welcome. My name is Nick Nesbitt. I teach at Princeton University, but I'm also very happy to be a member of the Philosophický ústav here for the next 3 years. And I want to welcome you to the first installment of our two conferences that we're planning on dialectical thought today. And today's workshop is conceived, today's conference is conceived as a workshop, and we'll look forward as well to a second installment next summer in June that we're planning, which will be a larger conference on the same theme of dialectics. Dialectics was one of the veins and the principal modes of thought of critical theory and Marxism during their flourishing throughout the 20th century. But the dismantling of the socialist regimes around the world since 1989 can be seen as a symbolic onset of a long-term crisis of dialectical thought, which has caused its marginalization. We want to ask here today if it's possible to think of an event or a radical transformation of the current situation without simultaneously thinking dialectically. And if so, what kind of dialectic? And so we've brought together a number of speakers, and we will of course be talking about Hegel, about Marx, but also about many other thinkers, Pierre Macheret, Adorno, Badiou, and others, and about the notion of dialectical thought in general. And so we will be speaking through the day. We'll have 2 sessions this morning and then a break for lunch. And after this afternoon session, we're also going to be presenting a book that we've just published with Suture Press, and it's a collection of pieces by Alain Badiou with contributions from myself and Jana Berankova principally. And I want to also thank especially Jana Berankova, who couldn't be here today. Unfortunately, she still had to stay behind in New York, and she has really done much of the organizational work, not only for the conference, but this book itself is really a work of love that she's been pursuing for a couple of years in the publishing house that she started. So we'll look at that this afternoon. I also want to thank some of the organizations that contributed to our coming together today: the Institute of Philosophy of the Academy of Sciences, the Czech Republic, Department of Contemporary Continental Philosophy, the Department for the Study of Modern Czech Philosophy, both here in Philosophický ústav, and also the Department for Analytic Philosophy here as well. We don't want to forget the Prague Axiomatic Circle, Princeton University, and the publishing house Suture Press.